Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below in the comment section. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, in today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. We have like a IPSY Plus versus IPSY Plus. So, kind of like PR versus paid. So, this is what I get sent every month in Open Studio. So, this is what I get sent in PR. It's gifted to me every month. And then I have mine. I haven't opened it up yet. This is what I paid for. So IPSY Plus is now $28 a month. And since I got mine a little bit early, I figured why not do paid versus PR and see which one is better. So if that is something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. All right, I did film for my second channel, so if you don't know, I do have a second channel called Just Anne's World, and that's a little bit different. So if you want to get to know me more on a personal level or hear some story times and stuff, I will leave the link down below. I did a story time of how I think it's best to record when you get pulled over because it saved me $500 and points on my license. So if you want to know what that's about, I'll leave the link in the description box. I do have on my face the Ace Beauty Fallen For You. I got this palette in the boxycharm base box, which if you haven't seen that video, I will leave it down below. But anyway, you guys know I like to talk. Let's show you what I got in PR. All right, so this is the bag this month for the month of October. It's so pretty, and I love, oh my God, I love green and black. Oh, it's so beautiful. I really like this bag. Here is the theme for October. It is Pretty Wicked is the theme. All right, so let me just pull out the first thing. So the first thing is from Murad. This is a Renewing Eye Cream. And I love anything for the eyes. I will take it all day long. And it's like a little pump. And you don't need, even though this seems small, you do not need that much for your eyes, you know? So I'm happy to get this. You know, like I've told you guys how I feel like IPSY has really turned into like a skincare box. But I don't mind anything for the eyes, you know? Okay, so the next one is from Dermalect. This is a Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. All right, and that's what she looks like. So you'd put this on at night. I love getting serums. Oh, let me turn that air off. It just popped on. I forgot to turn it off. Sorry about that. Okay. So I love getting serums, but I have so many. It's like I get them every month from IPSY. But what I tend to do, I don't just put this on my face. I put it on my elbows, my knees, my legs, my feet. So you can always find use for this if you get too many serums, you know, like if you're getting overwhelmed. But I'll definitely use it because I do like serums. Okay, so this next one is from Jecca Black. It's a play pot. It's vegan and cruelty-free. I believe I got this one other time. What color? This is in Gold Touch. It's a shimmer finish. Okay. Yeah, I do believe I got this before. It's gorgeous. Ooh, that's so pretty. I don't think I got this shade. So it's like a cream. You can kind of use this for your eyes as a highlighter. Let me show you. It's very pretty. Let me go in again. Just that way you could just see the color. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Especially for fall. All right, so we have that. I'll definitely use this. All right, so we have from Rena Beauty. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. I think it's, yeah, it's a lip gloss. It says Guilty Pleasure. Yeah, baby. Ooh, that's pretty. Right there. That's a really pretty color. You guys know I love wearing lip gloss. Like, I wear it over matte lipstick all the time, so. It's a regular doe foot applicator. And it's a regular lip gloss. It's not too opaque, but, you know, it's there. Right there it looks opaque, don't it? Maybe I spoke too soon. All right, I'll definitely use it. Definitely. I like the color. All right, and then we have from Il Makiage. Now, this is a mascara in, is it black? Yeah, Icon Black. I will put this in a future giveaway. I do not like Il Makiage's mascara. It's too wet for me. And that's just a personal preference, but, you know, you might like it. And then there was another item, and this is from Butter. This is a vitamin C serum. So in this month, I got 6 items, but sometimes when you're in the open studios, they will give you more because you're supposed to get 5 full-size items. Sometimes you'll get extra products. That way you can show your audience like different things that you can get. I am shocked that they put 2 serums in here. But, you know, I like using vitamin C because I do have some, like, skin spots, you know. So, I noticed since I have been using vitamin C, it has lightened them up, you know, where you don't see them as much. So, I do like vitamin C. Always keep this in, like, a dark, cool, area. And don't open this up until you're ready. Because once you open this up, after 3 months, it loses the potency. You know what I mean? So, all right. So, let's recap everything that I got in the PR. So, I have a vitamin C from Butter. I have another serum. It's a sleep serum from Dermalect. We have a Murad eye cream. We have this cream. You can use it really for anything. For your eyes. You can use it for your lips. You can use it as a highlighter, you know. You have a mascara. This is the only thing I'm like, only because my personal preference, I don't like their mascaras. And this beautiful lip gloss, which I will definitely use it. You know what I'm saying? Because I am a lip gloss hussy.
Bury me in lip kits and eyeshadow.
Now, I remember when IPSY first started, we used to get a lot more makeup, you know, but I mean, you know, you get 3 makeup products, which I will use, so I'm not knocking it. I just wish it was maybe like only 2 skincare and the rest makeup, you know. But overall, I think this was an okay bag for the month of October, you know. If I had to rate this between a 1 and a 5, 1 being like I want to throw it away, and 5 I'm doing cartwheels, probably maybe about a 2.5, 3, because I will use it. But it's not something like I'm excited to get. Does that make sense? Only because I have so much skincare. You know what I mean? Okay. So let's open up what I get. So my profile always says black hair, blue eyes, you know, and I like to get a lot of makeup. You know what I mean? So now there's a lot of stuff in here because I believe I did an add-on. But again, same bag. So let's see what's in here. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, same thing. Pretty Wicked. Let's see if it tells me what everything is. No, nothing. Okay, so I'll have to go to my account and I'll look things up. Let me take everything out. Okay. Already I could tell you this is definitely a better bag, the one that I get. You know how some people think that the ones in PR is better? No, this one's definitely better, the one that I paid for. Okay. So the first thing, let me go to my account so I can give you the prices. Okay, so the first thing is from Deuce. So this is a Posh Powder Palette. $55, which Deuce is expensive anyway. I think this is a face palette. I also got one in points. So anytime you use my referral link, I get points. And then when I get enough points, I always grab stuff in the points section. And then I always use that stuff and put it in future giveaways. Wait, no, that's the wrong thing. This is the Deuce. I showed you my add-on. Okay, so let me show you. I mean, Deuce is expensive. I mean, one of the highlighters is like $40 alone, you know? So it's the regular Deuce packaging. You have a nice mirror, and then that's what she looks like. It's really pretty. Let's do some swatches. So you have like 3 blushes and 3 highlighters. So those are the blushes. They're not too pigmented, but let's see if it's buildable. Yeah, it's definitely buildable. So, all right, you guys know how I feel about that. I'd rather be buildable. All right, let's do the highlighters. Ooh, then that's pretty. Okay, all right there. I mean, they're all right, you know. All right. I mean, it's not like I paid $55. It's $28, you know, the whole bag. So, you know, you don't pay that much for it. Would I ever pay $55 to buy this alone? No, ma'am. Okay, the next thing is from, what is this? This is from Wander Beauty. It's a Staycation Hydrating Mask. And I do like Wander Beauty products. I really like their foundation and stuff. And that's what she looks like. All right, let's read up about this puppy. Okay, really quickly, the Deuce palette is what they picked for me. If you don't know, they picked 2 items and you choose the 3 items. So the Deuce palette is what they picked for me. Then they also picked this Wander Beauty mask, which is $38. It's a face mask. It says what it does. It's a fast-acting formula, helps restore moisture levels, soothe inflammation, plump fine lines and wrinkles, and improve skin texture. It's a lot of claims, but I'll definitely try it because anything with fine lines, yes, ma'am. Okay, so this is what I picked. This is from Tokyo Milk, and this is called French Kiss Perfume. So it's a fragrance. It's $38. I like the fact that they're putting like perfume and stuff in now, you know? All right, let's see. Let's smell it. Oh, I don't know. Now that it's like a couple seconds, I can smell the floor. At first, it was very strong, like when you go to a department store, like... But now it smells okay. I like it now. Let's see what the fragrance, the notes are. Juicy mandarin, floral, which that's what I smelled, and gardenia and earthy velvet come together to create a scent that's equal parts of fresh, romantic, and feminine. Okay. All right, the next thing I picked is from Rowan Beauty, and this is a mascara, because you guys know I am a hashtag natural lash type of gal. I use between 3 and 4 every time I do my makeup, so whenever I can, I get a mascara, except for that Il Maquillage. I do not like that one. And this is $28. Now, would I pay $28 for a mascara? No, ma'am, but that's why I like subscription boxes. But I never tried this brand of the Rowan mascara. Let me know down below if you have, and like, what do you think of it? Alrighty. And last but not least, we have this Vizier Palette, and this is $30. This is the Petite Pro 1. And I believe I have this one, so I picked it for a giveaway, I believe. Once I look at it, I don't know. I don't remember this color, though. Let me see. It says Vizier, I'm not sure how to say it. And I don't want to take this part off just in case I have this, but it's very pretty. So if I have it, and then you have a mirror right here, I'll put this in a future giveaway. And then really quick, I'll show you my add-on. I did the Hip Dot. I forget how much it was, maybe $12 or something. That's what it looks like. And we have a nice mirror, and these are the colors. So I got this. I'm not sure if I want to put this in a future giveaway or I want to keep it. I like Hip Dot's formula, but I have so much of this color. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I have to think about it. All right, so let's recap. I can really smell that perfume now. It really smells good, so you have to let it sit on you for a little bit. You know what I mean? All right, let's recap everything that I got in my paid for. So we have this face palette. We have a full-size perfume. We have a mascara. We have this facial mask. It's a hydrating mask. We have the Vizier palette. Is that everything? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's everything. So that's pretty good. Yeah, because this was my add-on. Hands down. So the only thing I got in skincare is this. And I'll definitely use it. You know what I mean? Because it's for the hydrate your skin. Yeah, I'm very happy with what I paid for all day long. I think for $28, it's definitely worth it. You know, in the beginning, I was upset about the price increase, but I think this is really good for $28. I mean, this alone was $30, right? So, all right, guys, that's everything. Let me know down below, do you like when I do the paid versus PR so you can kind of see the difference? Let me know down below, and which one in your preference, because some of you guys like skincare. I say it all the time in my videos. I wish they would give more makeup. And there's a lot of you guys that agree with me. And also there's a lot of you that like getting all the skincare, you know? So let me know down below, which one did you like better, the PR one or the paid one? Let me know. Please like this video. It really does help me out, and it only takes a second. Like this video if you like the PR versus paid, if you like that. If you want me to continue doing it that style, or let me know down below if you'd rather me do like the PR, like the bag and the plus together just as a PR video. You know what I mean? Let me know. And that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.